Hey there, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fold a t-shirt in 2 seconds flat. Let's check it out. So all you gotta do, guys, is you need to hold on to the center of the t-shirt with your, just pinch it, and then of course go all the way, make a line here to the top and hold it across where, so this should form a straight line where the shoulder is, just next to the collar. So the collar is here and just here. All you need to do is just make a line like that, and then you're gonna take this top section, pinch this as well, which is in the center. So you can see me pinching both. This is a line, and I'm gonna do is move all the way to the end of the t-shirt, pinch that as well. So I've got 3 now in place, like this, like so. And what I'm gonna do, you can see my hands crossed, so my left is on top of the right. All I'm gonna do is, with my left pinching and my right hand pinching the t-shirt, I'm gonna do a twist. Okay, so I'm gonna do a twist which is gonna look like this. Okay, and I'm gonna place this way, and that's it. The t-shirt has been folded. It looks beautiful. So that's how you fold a t-shirt in 2 seconds. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's 8181 How To. Tons of videos coming up. Until next time, you take care, and I'll see you soon in another how to video.